다는 정말 나 참을로야 아니 나다 드린 아주 딜리슈하다 아니 첩지도 아니 가상만 주변한 신이 딱 간다 지 심제 담제 마르시에베스나 장도 마르두시에베스나 장도 야나 지 심제 담제 지 그린쟁이더니 든지리야 두시에베 토네 엔 심제 담제리야 지 추리메베 자와고마디 자와곰주루 노두지 슈스메레.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone good morning. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, we need to train in the conception of thinking of all sentient beings as our mothers, or of thinking of them as being kind to us by their nature. And in this way, we train in having love and affection that is unbiased. So I spoke about this in brief yesterday.
단남 용라 저기 지 삼려 나로래야 지 나스두자네 지 나스두자네 지 랑셈버지 랑왕버지 다들 지베지 알아주 지 정신기 되는 trendy 야래 이내 양외 니주토래야 나사디 랑셈버지다 랑왕버지 마임바安这缺陷了对对不起了，但还是嫌了就让绿对不起，那这就差别了。
Normally, when we think of me or I, we think of I or me as being something autonomous, something in control. You just naturally have this thought. But if we actually look at the way things are, this I is not autonomous, it is not in control. It is actually dependent upon other phenomena, it is dependent upon other individuals.
And in Azuki Subukora, Azuki Lubundevora, and Padamalia, doing true devachimi, Yusane, and Taranki, Arajoji, Jawan Rujita, Ransemba Maimbaji. Se kashu tarangi subu korangi chudangi sana dando tekora rangi azulia kan mo shen due de yin bi da kasa shen due de yin bi sebo dongwares.
With our physical bodies, they're born from our two parents, and just that shows that that it is not an independent, it is not an autonomous thing. Our body itself was formed in this exact way, based upon other things and other individuals.
Ngazu tangbu jeyundu ne diriji kaswe 가서 누가 첨부를 체제 깨요 말에 당부 기두산에 다 간들 다 가져서 봐 뇽중 다 누가 매겨놓지 근데 이제 깨요래 드린 두산다 데 깨어 걸리걸리 살롱용 근데 제 두산에 and then Pamala Soviet in the den dos Salon Chumi to Chadi Ore. The name you stand deacons at den and that dig Kashre Nizu Chatan sometime in Dusane on a Azugi Mizindi Nalolea and a jiggy Dinjung Dudopsen and Rado Chile Chig Duedem that day the Rasji the Drug Namshan which Maiba. That is Mizi Nangi Rinhansen and Rando Mizi Gitaji Sishidvichi Paji Chati or something.
When we were born, we weren't born powerful. We were born, at the time that we were born, we were weak and powerless. And so only after that were we able to develop. And that was because of the kindness of our parents. And so when we really think about our own situation, we can see that everything that this life of ours is interdependent, that it is produced by other conditions, that everything is dependent upon something else. And looking at this, we see that it is not some philosophical presentation, but it is actually the value and the basis of our human life.
아주 다 되대비지당 다나 신 망버지 징 알아줄 펜도를 제요 다 디난 개치슈르디 알아줄이야 제 조드다 파마니디 차려요 파마니부들 댄세네 알아줄 류덴디 추바이브레 류덴디 파마니부들 댄이 추바이브레 제상 아주 미차기 규제를 마소네 다베 개치슈 지 자외 규제로데 파도 말하는 충분히 인주사네 다 디기다 거딘 삼거버스는 장도 대당 디거딘 삼과지당 아니 제바 전시 제거하되 개침으로 차대요.
Of all the people who help us in this life there are many different phenomena that we have depended upon. There are many different people who have helped us. But among all of them, the most important are our two parents. It is because of our two parents that the material that has made us human, the most important and the basic material that makes us human, was formed. And so we need to think about the kindness of our parents and appreciate them.
다들이 주잖아요. 아주지 지당 그 파마스야디 그냥 파마카시 양 시라라는 지가수에다지 저와 매매인데 용도 요래. 우마들이 신인들이 위해서도 지게리안 로니엘 라마든데 최신의 라마든데 레아 시그도스 가시에기 안다 심지엔 탐지 지금 다지당기 가르라 가르라 이제 파말레야 진짜 랑게 달레야 되네 잠니지 겁나 검투사레스 이나게 파만니들 자네 가르다 잠니지 검투사 말레스 가레산 다디 베 춘두베 도부쇼 가르자 누구 망보제 나 제가 디균센된 자원인들 잠니지고 하나 갈래시스도스 지신인데 용데도스 다디 삼성 의니주레 다이네 개치슈딩 아주 되더디야 지 초진이 저와 유메사데 니주지레 다 인베네야 저와 유야로 메야로 간당 아주기 ngui ni zu demba karim badi samdang yu sane kanda ngaju gu luden di phamani bden den de chobde wi mi yu sane ta di ni zu ndo di ngaju she kwa de ji ignore chedab ru me de chi ta di mare she tu ya me ru chi mi za di gyun zen de ne dona ta thonda dong do ru di ngaju jigle jigden yin de chi da jigle jigden yin be yin za di gyun zen de ne ane rangi didu ya simje shen le ya tyo de we mi chi simje shen gi didu ya rang le ya ji jawe ye de chi de mi ju sa na pin jun ji gi ji le ya ane ji jawa sang bo go ya dang da na shin gi pin ju ji gi ji le ya gen ku go ya di da ke che mi yin de chi di go le sam do a de ba ji ke che mo re sam chang gi
Now, of course, with parents, some parents are not so loving, and that's just the way it happens. It sometimes happens. So in the past, there were some lamas who were sent abroad to teach Dharma abroad, and when they talk about this, they talk about some people who come to them and say that they can't meditate on compassion and love and compassion for their parents. I can meditate on love and compassion for my enemy, but I couldn't love and meditate upon love and compassion for my parents. There are people who say. And the reason for that is they treated me so badly when I was young. And so because they treated me so badly, it's difficult to feel love and compassion for them. So there are many people who say this. Now, of course, this sometimes is the situation. But the most important thing is really whether or not they have whether or not they're affectionate and loving is a different question. But whether they are loving or whether they are not loving, the actual nature of the situation is that this body of ours was created depended upon our parents to be created. And so to have this human body comes from them. We need to recognize this. We cannot ignore this fact, and we cannot deny it either. So in the main point is that we are all dependent upon each other. Our own pleasures and pains are dependent upon others. Others' pleasures and pain are connected to ourselves. And so because we are connected to each other, it's important that we make good relations with others, and that we are able to take responsibility for each others. And it is important to contemplate this topic.
Tadang azugi 제당 아주에게 그 심제 탐제리아 지 자와 고매하다 심제 탐제레 안지 동해레 지가서 챈되게 로기야 니지 고매하로 다디 윤센데 딱 간다로 쪼디 만아주 남주 배주당 왜 니주도 내당 엄마 가리버디 남주 배주당네 아니 니지 공부하러 마다 아주 남균지 착당 기체네 가르쳐 지된베 지 착당 삼다 그래서 텐제기 착당 기준제 때네 아니 고야 매버 다 니가로 인지 남주 배주 동고 대 배주 동고 위에 인사 디 기준제 때네 이제 뭐니지 가지 봐 오늘 전에 뭐니지 돌아가 아주 저거 근데 시려 봐 텔리아 아주 남주 저 배제네 뭐니 저 가리 임데 하고에 토네 되는 아주 니지고 아지 단도나 아주 여기 니지데 남주는 제외 니지고 얼마도베 야 차단된 제 니지 차소나 다디 니지고 마 치고 봐요 차단 규제되잖아
Now, when we meditate upon loving kindness, love for all sentient beings, and when we meditate upon the wish to free them all from suffering or compassion, The reason to do this is that we need to use our intelligence. We need to actually think about the nature of things, and thinking about the nature of things, use that to meditate upon compassion. Normally, we meditate on compassion out of attachment and aversion. We contemplate out of worldly attachment and aversions. But we should not. We don't need to meditate upon compassion through attachment and aversion. Instead, we need to use our own intelligence and actually think about what the real situation, what the real nature of things is. And then if we apply the powers of our intelligence by understanding the nature of things, we will then develop our intelligence. So our compassion must be connected to intelligence. Our compassion should not be connected to attachment and aversion. If it's connected with attachment and aversion, then it is not real compassion. Instead, it is actually attachment and aversion.
다지 지게 가서 인지 공부에 계절을 두스래. 제가 아주 인지 도스 거면 뉴스안에 아니 가시엘이야 지 데스 제가 인지 공부라지. 가시엘은 인지 공부를 하. 되려 온디야래. 다 인지 공부라데 공부라와 용하데 윤생 가리마. 아주 삼동가데 계심이 있어요. 니지 공깔라 하고 임비 윤생 가래마 삼도하데. 봐. 지 니지 유인 뭐니 주 토래야. 간다지 다 대화 된도에 동해 전도에 지거래. 뒤 토네 셰비 임비나 오늘 제나 니지 유인 뭐 저저 임비 유산에 뒤 토네 셰비는 지 니지야 깔라 매데버지. 다 임비네 이나 아주 라렌 따에 걸려 미카시엘라 니지 잘래라고 해요. 미카시엘 니지 깔라 하고 해요. 되게 용어를. 다 디주산은 소소소 계절 치고 하다 계절. 민들이야 저랑 니지 계주지. 그런 깔래시라면 니지 계도도. 미카시 미콜이야 니지 계주 깔라 하고 싶지. 니지 계고 삼나 니지 계로면서 다 니지 깔래 싶죠. 다때 가래도 삼도. 계절 치고 다 소소.
So when we actually are speaking about meditating upon compassion, sometimes we find that it's really easy to meditate upon compassion for some people and difficult to meditate upon it for other people. So what we need to think about is, why is it so easy to meditate upon compassion for some people? What is the reason why it is so difficult to meditate upon it for others? In the actual nature of things, everyone is the same in wanting to be happy and wanting to be free of suffering. In this regard, they're the same in being worthy objects or worthy recipients of our compassions, and there should be no difficulty towards any of them. But when we come down to the actual practice, we find that some people are very easy to meditate upon compassion for, and some people are more difficult. So at that point, we need to ask ourselves, this person is really easy to meditate upon compassion for, but this person, it's really difficult to meditate upon compassion for. Why is that? Sometimes we feel like I want to feel compassion for that person, but it just doesn't come. And so we need to ask ourselves why.
ninjila ngone senada ninjila drasayo marwa ninji gomni shindeya ji drasayo tyon sona deni tada deyo mane da ninjila nyen saji yo marwa da ninji gomde ya nyen singe ji nyen ji number tyon do na dadi tada deyo mane an ninji gombe kabli ya janyen pharma se jabashira medenge ji da medenge ni medenge jabashira medenge ji 시랑 아주다 참에 규미를 지다 근데 매매버다 니주 고백걸로 강걸로 꾸념체체 하다지 심지 상로지 동해의 trendo인 인상 디균zel의 데네 따지 디차네 아주 상으로 균형기 토안에 딱 간다 되지기 니지고 봐. 딱 계신 아주 니지 건배 걸이야. 제상 아주 니지 건배 걸이야. 간지 용도 봐. 따고요 왜. 아주 니지 건배 걸이야. 니지 건지 산에 따지 되지야 자다 니엔다 사르 되 용도 됩니다. 삼동
When we're meditating upon compassion, then sometimes, like when an enemy appears, there aren't really any enemies. We're meditating upon compassion, and then there's the thought of an enemy, but it doesn't stay that way. It doesn't remain. Likewise, when we're meditating upon compassion, there's not really any friend either.
Compassion have no enemy.
Okay, excuse me. Let me start again. Actually, compassion has no enemies. When we're meditating upon compassion, then enemies do not remain enemies. When we meditate on compassion, there aren't really any friends either. For compassion, there are no friends or enemies or neutral people. The meditation upon compassion is not connected with whether or not they're friends or enemies. When we meditate upon compassion, actually everyone is equal. All sentient beings are the same in wanting to be free of suffering. And in that respect, they're equal, and so our compassion should be equal for all sentient beings. So we need to actually look at what happens when we are meditating upon compassion. What happens when there are thoughts of friends or enemies?
제가다 니엘라 소수기 지 셈 가사사나 라도 다나 신기 수순 디부였을래 미수이네 바지 니지게 기그레 내가 강했게야만 따이면이야 수수기 마가사 자우 대줄이야 니지게베나 오늘 니지 첨부 니지 오마트 쳐가래 다나 신기 지 심제 지 파르마스는 다도 하나도 저시라 메dengi 규메기 메딘들이야 고양지 니지게베 임네야 대수 니지 첨부를 쳐가래 제가 디균전 때는 다지 니지 고마디 미카시지 안할래야 녀부예비 인사 디줄이야 지 니지르산 가서 니지 곰라르 시온이야 미카시지 수술 당부예비 인사 디게 니지 곰깔라 하여도 되게 차위나 네 가서다 니지 첨부 니지 곰마르도 차트야 깔아 가버려 제사 디균전 때는 아주 예버도 지 가서에 남지 비주다 친구의 니지 소리야 가리마 차당기 삼배 생활도 규범이봐 따지 가서다 의니 주기 지 가서 남지 여기 가서다 이제 챌린지에 토네 드지기 가다 니지 공부하되 개천마로 섬정
So when we meditate upon compassion for a friend, that means someone whom we like, someone whom we are familiar with or acquainted with, then pretty much anyone can develop compassion for them. But when there are the people we don't like, our enemies, if we are able to develop compassion for them, then that is great compassion. That is the actual compassion. And so when there are neutral people, with whom we have not much connection or whom we don't really know, if we can feel compassion for them, then that is also great compassion. And so in this way, when we're meditating upon compassion, if people are close to us, then it's easier to develop, to feel compassion for them. And if they're far away from us, then it's harder to feel compassion. But if this happens, then this is not great compassion. This is not actual compassion. So we must use our own intelligence and look at what the real nature of things is. And make sure that we do not come under the control of our attachments and aversions. We need to look at the actual nature of things and bring out the power of our intelligence when we meditate upon compassion.
다버지 대야 참을 샤체 샤나 가서래 드네 참샤한디 주다리 쇠제 퍼진으로 샤샤나 아주 강지 똑똑.
And so we will now take the tea break.
다들 마지 타겐들마 디스만 되는 것을 디스만 되는지 제나마도 디스만에.
And so it's probably best to recite a bit of the text from the Ornament of Precious Liberation.
오늘 된담 전주기 선지 지점시 냠나 동니니지 니부제 살라메요 드베 타단저 대다량도 되니네라 된담 전주기 선지는 지들에다가 드베 타단저 신두사와 된담배 유제 주메와 메요 로메베마 미견의 신두사와 셰송소하나 구주 전주기 선지 지점시 인양량도 되니네 구주 전주기 선지 인지 심전타다 권은 좀 버탐제와 셰송소 될라 된담 전주기 선지는 춘이에 도바이라 구주 전주기 선지 양타브라랑와 달쇼이 보도데 genle 셰토.
What then is ultimate bodhicitta? It is emptiness, having compassion as its very essence, an unvacillating state that is lucidity, free of the extremes of conceptual elaboration. Therefore the sutra says, of those ultimate bodhicittas, that vivid clarity that transcends the world, without any extremes of conceptual elaborations, extremely clear, having the ultimate meaning as its object, unpolluted and unwavering, as still as the flame protected from the breeze. And what would relative bodhicitta be? Quoting the same sutra, relative bodhicitta is the commitment through compassion to lead all beings out of samsara. Of the two forms of bodhicitta mentioned above, it is stated in the Ornament of Mahayana Sutras that ultimate bodhicitta is attained by means of realizing suchness, while the relative bodhicitta arises through language in the form of adopting it. Furthermore, the detailed exposition of the Ornament of Mahayana Sutras says,
된담 전주기 선지 내고 가나에 자나 사탕버로도가 인제나 유도 대다량도 되게 제발에 된담배 선기버데 사탕버로도가 라 이베셰 송소.
Furthermore, the detailed exposition of the Ornament of Mahayana Sutras says, at what stage is their ultimate bodhicitta? From the first great bodhisattva level, the joyous, onward.
군주 전주기 선라에는 이제 매배선의 주배선서 대들야 주주래 전주 선전도 되나 나머지 주세자의 매배선자는 전주 주반이는 셰송소.
In terms of categories, relative bodhicitta has two aspects, aspirational bodhicitta and engaged bodhicitta. Thus, the guide to the bodhisattva way of life says, bodhicitta can be summed up as being known through two aspects, the mind aspiring to enlightenment and the mind proceeding to enlightenment.
Juban drawing than the Sangi Drive Joy in Bershed, the Dream Julie. Drawer did and drawing Chera, Jin Sheba, the Tishin gave and the Chera, Jin Sheba, She Song So.
There are many different explanations of the particulars of these two aspects of relative bodhicitta, aspiration and engagement. According to Master Shantideva, of the tradition stemming from Arya Manjushri through Master Nagarjuna, aspiration is like a wish to go and comprises in reality all intentions longing for perfect Buddhahood, whereas engagement is like the actual going and is in reality the actual practical application of all that will achieve Buddhahood. Thus the guide to the Bodhisattva way of life says, just as wanting to go and actually going are known to be different, so these two should be respectively distinguished by the wise.
Papa Chambane, Lovetomane Mala, Yuve, Cho, Selim Bane, Membane, Simjan, Tamsegi, and Dagi, Zobe Sangia, Tober Chanya, Dubula Tamjalian, Bayan, Jubane, Sangi, Guru, Purudu, Shimba, Jula, Labrachonium, Gula Tamjalian, Bershed, Shebo, Dente, and Duba, Chungoba, Queen, Dubale, Simge, Bane, Nabani. Keber Jemmy, but the Keber Dova Tela, Keber Jemmy, but the Kema or Dalan Mevian of Zobe, Chanju, Ombra Zoba, Sangya, Shojin Yamba, Keber do Papa Ne, Tedder Jimbe Peru, Jimba, also Zoba, Shojin Yabane, Shirp Ye, Peru, Jimbe, Pado, Shesun So, Tedder Beda, Sansam, the Sini Ye, Gone, Simji, Yawa, Shesin Do.
According to the great Serlingpa of the lineage stemming from Arya Maitreya through Master Asanga, aspiration is to make a promise committing oneself to the result, thinking for the benefit of all sentient beings I will attain perfect Buddhahood. Whereas engagement is to make a promise committing oneself to the cause, thinking I will train in the six perfections as the cause of Buddhahood. In line with this interpretation, the Compendium of Higher Knowledge says, those who develop bodhicitta are of two types, those who are not special and those who are particularly excellent. Of these, those who are not special think, oh, if only I could become totally enlightened in the unsurpassable, totally pure and perfect Buddhahood. Those who are particularly excellent think, may I totally accomplish the perfection of generosity and so forth through the perfection of wisdom. And so in this way, the divisions of bodhicitta according to analogies, the demarcation of levels and the characteristics has been completed.
Tadrin Dustane, Takasan Consumer, Sire, and Dirinde, Ane Kafre, Tiringonda, Taji Lubu, Taji, such a Shenajin Rochevas, Kazan Shivan and Sinki, and Tiringonda, Paji Chin, and the Nessani. 广大区用途下的这个路都学，安德林就是啥呢？人家说你送水买不起，说你说别的送水的买不起。
As I mentioned yesterday, this afternoon I need to go someplace else, and so I will depart this afternoon, and I will do what I can to return tomorrow afternoon. This means that tomorrow morning we will have no teaching.
다들은 아니 가라디 가산제 차이 원래 다들은 아주디 아르 케시마스는 다도 제 밤에 대지에 구제데 안 다도 소제다 로숨 달로디 로스마차디야래 제자다지 로스ung그린리아 주메게다지 근데카네 지 가수래다 가수지 슝 가수지 퇴삼기 롬녀르체하기 운로지 초체 마시 주메고 막 하실래 오만에 베지다디 알아디 이면은 다 상물로지 퇴삼 롬녀 다 가수되지 슈심부차로 근데 지금 딱 거르지 다도 소지다 로 숨즈도디 알아 드니 뉴스단에 다 다다봐도 좀데 가라한섬지 아부 충분해.
It's now been 3 years since we've started holding these Arya Kshema Winter Dharma gatherings. And so basically that means that 3 years ago, it's been 3 years since our Kagyu nunneries began the study of listening and contemplating the great philosophical texts. Now, of course, some had already begun this prior to that. But since that point, since then, it's now been 3 years that everyone has been making great efforts at the listening and contemplating of these texts. And the results of this are really turning out very nicely.
시베 데데 시베게 다 가서 퇴섬 롬녀 권에 공배 용하다 시베데 다르게 용하기 체도 다 가서 녜다 저 탑럼으로 보지 니 송구여
Now, in order that our study of listening and contemplation and our centers of learning can continue to flourish, I think that there are basically 2 different methods we need to use.
당부텔이야 다다 거유 지기 주메 시전로지 차상로지 근데지 소토임이나 아니 야우시라 도스 가르사나 안다도 지당 공부소소소리야지 시에라 요래 다 이비네야 아니지 다디기 공부를 시에라 예윈두산 다디기 지 미네르 주이네르 미균이게 토네 다디지 가르 로송 첨을 줘도 알아. 다 드린 뉴스안에 참삼 비티치니 개겐서 토야 갈아가버 치거래. 제가 디균산데네 그 유지의 주메시를 내 총부입니다. 아주지 개겐 시여비네 들텐데 쉬하다 망스데 쉬토야르 치다. 아니지 뷰제드 되네다. 야로 동토야르 싶으시더니 쉬고 맨로섬으로. 들 정리 제장 그 유지 주메시를 개발하려 개발체벌이야 당한주 근처리야 다정아주 주메기 시려 근데가 가시 집회요 아래 디나는 겨안수 다지 나로네 미카시 야 담지 엔지 총무를 조시 엔 고준 genku에 토네 엔 그 유지의 주메시를 시들 야지기 确实的아주 로사반의 띵체 다 간조조로 되지 총토의 의미는 야부시다도
The first of these is that I think it would be good for us to start an overall Kagyu Shedra, or monastic college, for Kagyu nuns. And the reason for this is that, in general, we have we have shedras in many of the different nunneries, but in terms of human resources and in terms of materials, then this can get to be very expensive and very difficult. For example, it can be difficult to find teachers for all of the shedras. And so I think if we have an overall shedra for the nuns, then we can arrange teachers and we can also improve the quality of the education. So for this reason, what I'd like to ask you to do is for all of you from all of the nunneries who have come, to pick a few nuns, excuse me, so I think that it would be beneficial for us to have this general overall Kaju Shedra for the nuns. So I'd like to ask you all to pick a few nuns from each of your Shedras and discuss this and have a meeting and pick people who are able to take responsibility for this, and then discuss how we can institute this overall Shedra for nuns and come up with a plan in the new year. In other words, it's very good. It would be very good to do this as quickly as possible.
ane 다들이 중부 이미나 ane 가서 초진에 다지 콜리지 스머지 남배기 지다 톨업 스머 롬니르체사 톨업을 근데 지 조다지 주마설이야 로저스들 중부 이미나 천대를 중부 이미나 마음발이야지 the international smada geji the mimanguchi labardo ji jumanro dan ji dana singi da kashwe yam da pume dinje manguchi na chölya lomnire cheaki debar ye jamang shado da ine khuzu lomnie chesdi ene 아니 주메 고마로 진짜 주실 나로 롬니에 치서 좀 총배이나 안 고란솔에 펜도로 지하고 영어 주시 드레브 통도 제자 안에 마음발이야다지 주메 되지 다 톨업스는다도 셰르스는다도 되 총배이나 계직 톨야다지 계직 주무츠네레 다나싱이 보면서 이제 안지 나셔를 미세기 가서 통나에 되바 진짜 총배이나 and the jung and the bina chiquansolia chicare lotion chese dinner chatria that are all to share.
If we do this, then in one aspect, this means that we will have a college or an institute for our nuns. We'll be able to have a good, appropriate level of education. Also, this will be beneficial for international, particularly for nuns and for women who have the interest in studying Buddhism. It'll give them a place where they could study and they'd be able to study in a nunnery, which would be beneficial for them as well. And so I think in the future, if we can if we can found this sort of an institute or a college, then this will also be beneficial for the nuns and women from abroad, from international countries who have an interest in studying Buddhism, and I think it will be help them and give them a definite place where they can study.
the Gijin Rodan Tumbe Ji Garreda, Shimju Chiare, Tana Singi, Lomnier Chia, the Deg, Sandengi, Shimju Chia, Lomnier Chia, the Deg, but the Devine, Kuji Chia, the Deg Summer to see it. They immediately Tatar Lamsa, the little chickens, Manguchi, Sugar came into Tina and the Keshishuji Carresana. 아주 마음발해야다지 갤로마를 드레지 가져에 돈바드르야로 계절부터 수요를 야래 다 이내야디 갤로마디 드릅사웨 젤이야 다다 gomba so nane da ji mi ringi tinde gelombe domba tuber ke she ya da gelombe domba tubse du sane gomba so na lo du tinde ji gelombe der bi yo kala khawshi do da gomba rina so na ba lo du sane ana gelombe de san zu se me ding er cha ana maombalya ana phebegi geloma ji gi domba tubga na ya 다 gelombe kindu changchang ko du san ta de kala khabar chi ji pa yu zu yu gasan isa tor che de yawo chi yo sama das 제가 드는 지기다 주메 시라로 드 shum이나 디 수르들이야 gelombe der 슈슈 주체 뭐 전부 시라고 하스게마다 긴류 changchang 근데 주체 드 shum입니다 마음발에지 gelombe 지 domba 준대요 근데 shum입니다 안 뒤주자는지 경험도 뭐 좁혀요. 근데 야우시라고 말했어. 시험마도베 다당아주 경험이 긴중이 대를 진짜 맞추나? 안다 경험만 오마지 가시가시 주셔야는데 얘를 알았다. 가서 인사를 토르체. 아니 지 템베 균을 붙들려 미세 펜도시라라 메딩 이러지. 근데 자도
Now, I think that it's also important to bring this institute into international standards for research and study and education to make it really match the international criteria and standards. Now, I don't think it's necessary to go into too many details right now, but one other very important thing to say is that we have spoken about establishing a community of bhikshunis, but after we have had bhikshuni ordination, then the individuals would return to their own nunneries, and then be one or two would come from each different nunnery. And then if they return to their own individual nunneries, then it would be difficult to actually found a community of the bhikshunis. We would have a few bhikshunis here and there, but we wouldn't really have founded a community of bhikshunis. And then in the future, what would happen is that if there were other Tibetan women who wanted to take the bhikshuni ordination, it would be difficult to gather the appropriate number of bhikshunis in order to bestow the ordination, because some are over here, some are over there, they're scattered all over the place. And so after, in order to found the community of bhikshunis, once we have started the institute, we can create on the side of it a community of bhikshunis. Not necessarily a large one, but a place where people, if they wish to become bhikshunis, will be able to go and take the vows. And I think this will work out very well. If, on the other hand, if we do not found such a community, then it'll be as if in the past we had some bhikshunis, but they've all scattered all over the place, and it will not really be able to create a good lineage of the teachings.
다지 제베 대 아버지 다름 안 달았어야데 저 롬녀의 챙겐게 아니 준주의 컨데스 체마 제르바 준주의다 그지 저 준주의 자레레 정다 가서 롭종 같이 체마 될 자레레 다는 시기게 야고 컨데스 유메 될 자레레 제자들이 두산에 녀를 게겐 데데 쇼 체블이야 야 롭쟁게 림버로 템베브르시 마종나 아니 게겐 칸지지 고유에 하고음도 제장 가장 쉬는 신기 롭쟁기 난된다 림버드 템베브 제사의 제리아 아주 게겐기 치시로 컨지지 치시 컨지지 롬버지 게겐 딘디 슈고예부터 파생 아주 최바로 제도를 디 최바 제스미 제리아 아니 게겐 딘디 슈아디 레라버르시 담아지 게겐 디조 다 참참지 가장 많은 나닝고마 쉬는 신에 개겐 된전 쉬비미나 아니 디주지 바 쇠보 피아스마 라샤로 데야 디수 강에 민도 시에래 다 참서 변조의 강에 면에 밀 강에 체네 갈라갑도와 세상 간다야 롭센 템빌 충분히 개개인 컨디션 된데 주고 유면 디스 엘라브르 처르서 정도 디 토라야 에너지 미성으로지 심쇼 파라 준루게야 다나 신기 조아게야 셰도 나닝오망 아주 그 유근제 거리야 진두르게 남바름 전주를 셰베 진두르 체제 진두르 체 전주 셰벨 댄셰 엔 그 유시라 할이야 나로리야 저바디소 지 응세 퇴외기 야게 신송 세제 근데 신이 몹시다요 내도 아랑 도스바 대비나 디스 야게 치면로 성사로 정도 세상 다이면에 가시디 착당 침부 차용 도스인데 가시 총소 착당 체력 주고 도스 공바 핀지 착당 체력 주고 도스 다이네 삼성 착당디 삼성 착당디 디스면나 아니 미 루마데는 차서는 괜찮을 차도 시라라지 거주시라면게 독주시라면게 지 초아시라면게 드리 차나야 지 괜찮을 차도 제가 삼성야 지딘베 토는 셰비나 로존데서 데지 진두르시 데지 가셔라 착당 두자르도 예비는데 아버지야 말아 로존 토디 착당을 위해는 지 저면도 진두르 넘버 위에나 디스 미상으로 조아 페아르지 드르르지 용사라 섬을 드르지 용구도 제자 다다롱을 군이 주메 군주 팅숨바레 다 팅시외 걸이야 버진 진두르 체나 버지 그냥 저지 면도 섬선으로도 받아 주잖아 진두르 체나 버지 진두르 체 투사레 섬선으로 드르도 제상 아주 좀 급 주메 군주급 시번에 다들 진두르지 셔야잖아. 다 수톱 수메톱 다 진두르지 셔야. 안고 갈갈에 지기잖아. 뭐 조아로 게 진두르지. 안들지 야외용 만들어서 그러잖아.
So the founding of the Shedra is the first point. Now the second thing is that basically when we talk about a community of study, then our study really depends upon our diligence. First of all, it depends upon our diligence, and it depends on how much we study, and it also depends upon having good teachers. And so with the teachers, the first thing we can do is if we first establish a course of study determining the topics and the curriculum of the courses, as I mentioned others, then once we've determined, as I mentioned yesterday, once we have determined this course of study, then I think it will not be that difficult to then invite teachers. We'll be able to tell what sort of teachers we need and what their qualifications should be, and it'll be easier for us to invite them. Sometimes with inviting the teachers, it's not so much of difficulty to pay them a wage, but sometimes it's even if there's no difficulty with financial resources, there can be difficulties with human resources. But I think once we've decided the course of study, then we can determine, it'll be easy for us to determine what sort of teachers we need and whom we should invite. And so that'll make that easier. Now, another thing is that we need to have a lot of enthusiasm. That we need to increase our enthusiasm for study, increase our inspiration for the study. So in the past, what we have done at the Kaju Guncha is we've instituted a competition there. And once we instituted that, then the debate within the Kaju Shedra has improved remarkably and visibly improved. And everyone says this, and I also myself see that there has been great improvement. Now, of course, some people say that there has been a more increase in feelings of attachment and aversion. Well, this is maybe so, but sometimes actually a little bit of attachment and aversion isn't so bad, at least on a worldly level. And because if you do it the right way, if you have that, otherwise if everyone is just completely blah and completely neutral, never really happy about anything, never really upset about anything, always just unfeeling in the middle, then that gets kind of strange. So in the worldly ways, if there's a little bit of competition in the studies, and of course if the attachment and aversion becomes bad, that is not good. But if we have a little bit of attachment and aversion in terms of competition, then I think that this will help us improve overall. So I think that this will happen, and I have seen it already happen. So now we are having the third Arya Kshema Winter Dharma gathering. So from the fourth Arya Kshema Winter Dharma gathering, I believe that you are ready to begin a competition. So for that reason, from the fourth Arya Kshema Winter Dharma gathering, we will have a competition. We will see who wins and who does not. And I think that this will be good and help us increase our enthusiasm.
So
that is enough for today, and we will leave it here now.